Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Khanal and my team members are Abhay Parth and Dipesh. Our team name is Data Titans. We have developed a project called AI CFO, an AI powered platform for finance, compliance and business automation. Many organizations spend a lot of time and money to managing financial transactions manually. Missing compliance deadlines can lead to penalties and fraud or unusual transaction may go unnoticed. Also, without real-time financial information, it becomes difficult to make good business decisions. To solve this problem, AACFO provides automate accounting, smart GST and tax management, compliance tracking and alerts, audit and fraud detection, real-time financial insight and forecasting, and AI assistant for instant business answer. Our goal is to help businesses save time, reduce cost, improve accuracy, and make better decisions. Now let's begin with an overview of our application AI CFO.
This is the financial dashboard, your real-time command center. At a glance, you can see total revenue, cash flow, total expense, net saving. AIT panel gives rotating financial advice tailored to Indian tax law, things like GST deadlines, the deadlines, revenues, etc. Now, these are the quick action. By using, you can simply add your transactions, new invoice. You can also add data in bulk, ask AI CFO, compliances and reports. This is a chart represent revenue versus expenses, and this is the financial health based on 4 key indicators like cash flow, compliances, profitability, efficiency. And our financial health is 77 out of 100, which is good. As we go bottom, this is a monthly revenue trend. This is expense breakdown. Here you can see our expenses going on salary, rent, marketing, supplies, insurance, travels and taxes. These all are the percentage. Now this is a recent transaction. Okay, this is compliance tracker. And at the bottom we find that recent invoices. So this is the dashboard section. We are moving another section, reports and analytics. This section provides overview of company's financial performance. At the top you can see this is a PL statement. As you can change, this is the cash flow and this is the expense breakdown. This is our total revenue, total expenses, net profit. This is a bar chart that represent monthly PL trend. Here you can see our cash flow analysis and this is a expense breakdown. This page help monitor business performance and make data driven financial decision. Now the next page is accounting. This page manage all financial transaction and keep track of income and expenses. This is the add transaction button. By clicking it, you can add your transactions. I will show you using a dummy data. This is expense, supplies, which is office, laptops. Here you can add your amount like 75,000. Okay, vendor, TCS. So basically it's a dummy data. Now click on save transaction. Now your transaction will save here, as you can see here. It gives you description, category, date, status, it's complete or not, and the amount. You can also filter from here. Use filter like income or expenses, transaction. So moving towards the next page, this is a GST invoice. It helps businesses create, manage and track GST invoice in one place. New invoice button. allow you to create a new GST invoice for customer. I will show you how to add GST invoice here. I am using here dummy data. This is optional. Now I am going to add amount here. This is also optional. Now if you have any notes, you can write here. I'll click on create invoice. It will create your invoice. Now the invoice is shown here. This is your total revenue, GST collected, amount paid and overdue. So this is basically your invoice ID. By using, you can easily find your invoice. This is our client name. This is our type, amount without GST. Now this is a GST amount. This is total amount. The status is sent. Now from here you can preview, or also you can also print. By clicking it, mark as paid. Okay, now here by clicking it, you can also delete your transaction like this. So the next page is the next section is a bulk import. This page help you to upload large amount of financial data. Okay, this transaction tab is selected by default. It means it's ready to upload transaction data such as payment, expenses or income. And this is the invoice tab to switch and upload invoice data instead of transaction. So by clicking this button, you can upload your CSV file here. So it will show your transaction, all your transaction here. If you don't want, then you can use this delete button also. So it's very user friendly interface. The next section is our GST and transaction. This page gives business a complete picture of their GST situation. The new invoice button on the top right allow you to create a new GST invoice instantly. So by clicking the new invoice button, you can also add invoice as we seen earlier. After adding your data, it will show your output GST, input GST and net GST liabilities. Here it shows your GST invoice. Next, go to the next page. This is a payroll. In this page, you can add your employee. Like I will demonstrate adding. So I will take dummy data. HRA is 2000. PF deduction 6000. TDS deduction 3000. Bank department is engineering. Now status is active. Okay, so as I save it, so it will show an employee data here. This is a monthly payroll. This is one active employee. This is TDS deduction. Now PF contribution. This is the name of employer, designation, department, basic salary, HRA, PF, TDS, net pay and status. You can edit it from here, or you can save it. Okay, the next section is our budget planner. First I will show you how to add budget. Now I will add my budget here. can say save. As you can see here, this is our total budget, what actually we sent, variance and utilization. So these are basically our months. So now we are in June month, so it will shows June month's data. Okay, June 2026 data. So like this way we can find. Our next section is compliances. It helps business stay on the top of all their regulatory deadlines so that they never miss an important government submission or legal requirement. So we can add our compliance here that help to track our submission. I will add a compliance here. This is GST filing priority high. You can set your priority from here. You can data. I will take next month's data like on 20. This is optional. Amount is, but penalty amount I will add 5,500. Now you can add some description here like monthly GST return filing for June 26. Assign to whom? I will assign to myself. Now add compliance. As you can see, total one item complete. We didn't complete anything. Okay. This is overdue. This is our overall progress. Now our next section is the fraud detection. It will detect this page is like a 24-hour security guard for our business finances. So this is a total alert. This is open alert, critical, risk and resolve. And this is the bar chart as you can see month wise. So the next section is our AI assistant section. It is like having a smart financial expert available 24 hours a day who can answer any question about your business finances and taxes. This is a quick suggestion. These are smart suggestions. Suggestion card. AI offer you to get started quickly. So I am taking one of my quick suggestions here. So this is a chat input box. Here you can you can use to type any your queries over here. So according to my question, he gives me answer like the profit margin, net margin, calculate net prices, calculate profit margin. Like this way, AI CFO platform brings together accounting, GST compliance, invoicing, fraud detection, and financial intelligence into one unified platform built specifically for Indian businesses. Whether you are a startup founder, an SME owner, or a finance manager, this is your always on financial co-pilot. Thank you so much.